What's the meaning of colobus? Colobus. Colobus.
Colobus. Colobus. Colobus refers to a group of Old World monkeys that are native to Africa. These primates are known for their distinct black and white coloring, with long, shaggy hair and no thumbs. They are arboreal and primarily eat leaves, as well as fruits and flowers. Colobus monkeys are important seed dispersers in their forest habitats and play a crucial role in maintaining ecosystem health. Unfortunately, many colobus species are threatened by habitat loss and hunting. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique and important creatures.